unboxings to do, and I will put a timestamp down below. I think I'll start with BoxyCharm, and this is supposed to be Luxe, and it sure feels heavy, so I'm very curious to see what's in here. And then I think after we do that, we will do the FabFitFun Summer Box. So if you only want to see that, like I said, I'll put the timestamp down below. This is going to be a long one. I'm assuming you're here because either you love me or you really like unboxings, or maybe both. And if you haven't done the YouTube things, please subscribe, hit the like button, show the girl a little love. So getting right into BoxyCharm. Like I said, it does feel awfully heavy, and I'm gonna say maybe this is a make or break box. I'm just reminded of why I canceled BoxyCharm the first time around, which was I kind of had enough of it, and I'm kind of getting that way again. I guess that's one thing I like about FabFitFun. I think if BoxyCharm would just give me luxury boxes once a quarter, I would totally do that. But they make me have regular boxes the other months, and not so much. Ooh, all right, I just took a little sneak peek there. Looks like some interesting stuff. Here's what we're looking at this month. A little worse for the wear, but a little Dare to Dazzle. That makes me nervous. And let's just start with it. There, okay, it's Smashbox, cover shot, golden hour. I swear I own this palette. Like, this was the first Smashbox palette I ever got, like 3 years ago, really? All right, I'm gonna have to go, after I shoot this, I'm gonna go look. And if I own this palette already, I will pop it in right here. Okay, I went digging around in my palettes upstairs, and I did find my Smashbox palette. This one is the Cover Shot Ablaze Eye palette, which is this color story. Come on, focus, there we go. And it's filthy. So I don't already own this one, although I will say, yeah, I've seen it a gazillion times at Ulta, and certainly thought about it, especially when it goes for half off. But that could be pretty. There we go. There's the focus. I don't do a ton of purples, but this looks like a nice deep one that probably I would do like under my lower eyelash line. So anyway, there we go. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or put it in the giveaway pile. So back to it. So if not, I mean, it looks like a pretty palette. There's the color story on the back. Nice neutral. All right. Just out of curiosity, they say that is $29. That sounds about right, except never mind that it always goes on sale for half off at Ulta. All right. Elemis. All right, I like this brand. This is a brand that we often get in BoxyCharm. It is the Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. Okay, now I'm less excited about it. I have my cleansing products. I like my cleansing products. And we all know, AHA, alpha hydroxy acid okay, it's on both sides. I can get one facing you. There we go. When it's in a cleanser, it's on your skin and then it's off your skin, and you don't really get that much benefit from the AHA, but okay. All right, NARS blush. This is, what? Orgasm. Yeah, again, what? I'm sorry, did we get a box from like 2019? Right? I own this. I am nowhere near hitting pan on what I own. This is turning kind of into a big fat fail. Milk Makeup Liquid Eyeliner. Oops, upside down. There we go. If nothing else, when I finally get my act together to do my giveaway, which will come sometime after I hit 500 subscribers. It's going to have some good stuff in it because so far all of this except for the cleansing butter is going in there. Earth Harbor Hair Revive Elixir. Fortify, nourish, and revive dull or damaged hair. All right. I color, right? You can see there's my stripe. It's a few weeks now till I get my color done. So yeah, I color my hair gets dry. I try to only use one heating product on my hair a day. So I appreciate a good hair oil. Put some moisture back in my hair. So I will happily try that. Dr. Brandt, Say It With Pride, Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. What is in it? I have no idea what's in this. Okay, I'm just gonna, yeah, whatever. 4 Sigmatic face mask. This feels really lightweight. With superfood. It's a dietary supplement. It's superfood face mask. It's a dietary supplement. It is cacao, which is really good for your heart health. Not cocoa, but cacao. Coconut, palm sugar. And the third ingredient is palm sugar. I don't eat sugar much, very often. So, yeah, I don't trust getting food, getting supplements from BoxyCharm. Maybe that's just me. If you've heard of this 4 Sigmatic, will you drop me a comment down below? Because I'm skeptical. I'm like, I don't even think I want to give it away. Last but maybe least is a Pure Heals Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. Okay. That could be good. I don't usually, there are a lot of sleeping masks out there, and I usually just use them like regular masks. I like my skincare routine to be my skincare routine. Ooh. That looks nice. Let's see what it smells like. I'm gonna get, it smells really nice, very rosy. Given how expensive true rose oil is, I'm gonna guess that is probably, maybe not natural. Anywho, wow. All right, so that was a big, fat fail. And I'm just wondering if this doesn't say Luxe on it anywhere. So maybe this, no, I'm sorry guys, I am always totally confused. I finally figured out I get the Luxe box every 3 months, so it was January, February, March was Luxe, April, May, June should be Luxe. And it certainly looks like from the dollar amount on all this stuff, that Dr. Brandt says it's $64. Anywho, that's kind of a really disappointing box, especially because, like I said, really, NARS Orgasm, is there somebody that doesn't own this? Like, what rock have you been living under? So, please, whatever. Let's get on to FabFitFun. And this is always fun for me because I'm an annual subscriber. I get to pick a lot of my stuff, and there were 9 choices for the summer box. But because I don't remember anything because I am postmenopausal, it's a surprise to me. So let's see what I picked out, what they gave to me. It certainly is a different box, and I will say that, usually their boxes are pretty cute, pretty fun. They're completely printed, meaning it's not a brown box with graphics on it. It's, it's completely covered, so maybe this is cost cutting. I don't know. All right, step into the sun. I wish. It is, I'm shooting this on Friday evening. It was freezing. I know the rest of the country, you are having heat. You're having 80s, 90s, 100s, super hot. We were 55 and rainy today. We were like November, and Mama was not happy. All right. Well, some cute stickers, if I did anything with stickers. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Junk. Sensuals vitamin C serum. So of course I just did that quick video on vitamin C serums, but if I recall correctly, I made sure that this had L-ascorbic acid in it. Yes, it does, ascorbic acid. So when I get around to using this, maybe I'll just do a short and we'll see what the pH of this is. But okay, I kind of vaguely remember getting that. And Ole Henriksen, I like that brand. Is that, there we go, I'm trying to get it. This is Fat Glow Facial. So this looks like, it's got PHAs and Nordic birch sap for instantly exfoliating and illuminating. And it says it's a face mask. I am wondering if it's kind of a liquidy. Oh, okay, we don't know because that's what it shows up like. All right, well, good. I don't remember picking that. If I did, okay, great. If not, I'm glad I got that. Tarte Sea Drink of H2O. So, I used to buy my hyaluronic acid from the Tarte Under the Sea, and I really liked it. So I am curious to try, yeah, cute packaging. Very curious to try this moisturizer. And in fact, I am just about out of daytime and evening moisturizer, so this will slot nicely into my skincare routine. This one, Flight Mode. This is another facial mask, high altitude hydration mask. I have this one already. I enjoy it. I don't know that I love it so much that I'd ever go purchase it, but I don't mind getting it in a subscription box. Corksicle silicone straw. Okay, this is something they picked out for me. I would never pick this. I actually, I've got one kiddo that likes straws, and so fun to play with. I already have silicone straws. So, all right, my kiddo gets another silicone straw. Oh, you know what? I bet the just a minute, I bet the Corksicle goes with this. Yes. So this is an insulated 12-ounce container. So either I can put a goodly amount of rosé in there, or I could even do coffee. And if it was something sip-worthy, I think that's what the straw is for, because they are color coordinated. Does it fit? Yes, it does. So, all right. My bad. I did pick this out. Last but not least, okay, this is not a long video. Usually it takes me way longer to go through all this stuff. Not this time. Society 6, if you don't know about Society 6, it's a website where artists create, here, let me just, okay, so this is my cell phone cover, right? It's an owl, and unfortunately what gets cut off is it's a little pink mohawk on the owl. So I can get this as a cell phone cover, I can get it as a laptop skin, I can get it as a tote bag, I can get it as a pillow, a t-shirt, and there are thousands and thousands of artists. Like anything that's your jam, I bet you can find something you would like on Society 6. So I think it's kind of cool that it's a great outlet for designers, and also you can get things that are really unique. I have never run into anybody else that has my cell phone case. So this particular one, this is a wine chiller. So I can put my rosé in here and then drink it out of this. And you know, it's not a bad design. In person, it's kind of a little bit lighter than Circus Peanut Orange. And I do not know why that just quit, but it did. Anyway, not really my colors, but it will be functional. So there you go. That was kind of a big letdown. Wah, wah, wah. But thank you so much for joining me, and have a really fantastic day.